Hey there, my name is Jorge Guerra Pires. I'm an instructor on Udemy. On this course, I want to teach you how to use TensorFlow.js for regression. TensorFlow.js is a library built for machine learning JavaScript. That's a very nice option if you want to work with machine learning, but you don't want to use Python, you don't want to use R. They have more or less the same tricks, the same trick on the sleeve. They have pre-trained models, they have the notations very similar to Python, and the best of all, you can do everything on the browser. I myself, I have been working with Angular, which will be the framework that we are going to use for about 4 years, 3 years. I have built a very complete system which I start on my postdoc fellowship. On this course, I want to share with you this knowledge. I hope that this course is going to be very useful for a couple of people. For instance, if you are a JavaScript developer and you want to learn how to use machine learning, I think that course is for you. If you are a bioinformatician trying to apply, for example, machine learning to your data, but use the browser, I think this course is for you. If you are a machine learning practitioner and you want to know how to code in the browser instead of using like an intermediate step, I think this course is for you. Of course, I cannot predict everyone that's coming to my course, so you are welcome independent of your background. A little bit about me. I'm an instructor on Udemy. I have about more than 10 courses. I have one course rated as the highest level, which is a very good thing to have in your profile. I have about 3 courses already launched, 3 of this one launched in TensorFlow.js, and I expect to launch more courses. All of them that are focused on Angular, which my focus is Angular as a framework. So Angular, if you're not aware, is a framework used to code single-page application, dynamic page, which is essentially a page but it's dynamic. It's like Google, Gmail is an example of dynamic page. The advantage of building Angular, that Angular is a very rich environment and it has a very active community. Angular is coded in Typescript, and during the course I'm going to explain as well how to overcome this kind of problem, because since we're talking about the TensorFlow.js, which is a JavaScript library, you may need to make some modification. During this course, I'm going to teach you how to do that. We are going to consider a very simple example. We are going to consider linear regression with just one input, one feature, and just one output. But I'm going to teach you I'm going to give some direction on how to increase it to more than one features. I'm going as well to give a very generic eyes, but still a very strong idea about machine learning. I'm going to explain you concepts such as when you should use linear regression, when you should use artificial network. I'm going to teach you a little bit about how to separate the data between training and validation. I'm going to try to give you as well a kind of overview, not just about hands-on section. I hope as well that by the end of this course, you'll be able as well to understand what are the limitations of this kind of model that we're building, what are the strengths of machine learning, and how to train your own model. So that's what I hope to deliver to you. So I hope that you give me a chance to teach you. I'll be very glad to be part of your career, of your learning experience. For me, learning is a very important moment of your career, and I believe that I have done my best on this course, and I hope that you share this enthusiasm together. So hope you enjoy the course.